All right, midweek grilling with the good dogs. I'm excited about this one. Copycat recipe for Gordito Crunches. I remember when the Gordito Crunch first came out, and I love getting it at Taco Bell. Unfortunately, we're not going to have a Baja Blast with it because you can't buy Baja Blast except for at Taco Bell. But if anyone knows where to buy Baja Blast, tell me. I will go buy some. So what do we need? Need ground beef. You get some salt and pepper, the ground beef, and an onion. Chop that up. We're going to saute that. We'll get to that. For the sauce that goes in the Gordito Crunch, you want some sour cream, some ranch, some hot sauce, and add a little bit more ranch seasoning. Okay? Now for the, this goes with the meat too, my bad. Some taco seasoning for the meat. All right, we're going to get to these shells in a second, and I'll show you what we're going to do for that or what the plan is. All right, grilling with the good dogs. You need lettuce, and that's going to go later on. Okay, so what are we doing? We get some flatbreads here. These are some mini Naan flatbreads. I'm hoping they're going to be good. They're pretty thick, but again, the Gordito Crunch is a flatbread with cheese, and then a hard shell that's basically just a normal taco with a special sauce. So we got some hard taco shells. We got the flatbread. Got some sharp cheddar and some Mexican style blend. So what we're going to do, we're going to preheat the oven. I need to double check what the temperature is. We're going to put some of these flatbreads in there, this open side up, put cheese on them. And then when everything's ready, once you have your taco made, you're going to put it in there. We got some little taco stands that I'm working on over here. I'll probably put up some foil in there so the tacos can get in there. And that cheese is going to act like a melted glue to have the flatbread melt to the taco. And it's going to be so good. I just wish I had that Baja Blast. Dang. The good dogs are enjoying, Chef Good Dogs, Klein Bear and Corco, enjoying some cheese. Talons of the Red Dragon. Got some of the onion sauteing right now. I wanted to show you what's going on with this pita bread or Naan bread or whatever it is. So it's going to go in the oven, 400 degrees, but it's only going to be there for like 5 minutes, so we can wait. These can sit for a little while. Might try and fit a few more on there. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking some foil and I'm wrapping these little like shish kebab cages that I have. And then I got these wires and I'll put some foil on those. And that's where, when you wrap these around the hard taco, that's where they're going to go. They're going to sit in there. And yeah, should be good. So I'm going to get the sauce ready here in a second. And I'll have those measurements for you. That's getting ready. And you need to get ready for more grilling with the good dogs. All right, so I'm gonna put a half cup of the sour cream in there. And what is this? 1/8 of a cup or 80 milliliters? No, 30 milliliters of the ranch in there. 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of the hot sauce, and this whole package of ranch seasoning. Mix it all up together. I'll show you what it looks like, and then it's gonna go in the fridge. Well, this meat is just about ready to go in there. Oh, burning those a little bit. That's okay. I do like crispy onions. And we'll get all that ready. And running and gunning with grilling with the good dogs. Okay, so just a little update. I actually used 4 teaspoons, so this twice, of the Louisiana hot sauce, and I like that a lot better. So this is getting up there. Still mixing it around. About to dump that whole packet of taco seasoning in there, and just a little bit of salt and pepper. Not too much. Just a little bit. Not even gonna mark that. Now, we're not making enough tacos for all this beef, so this is for storage. And I'm only doing about 4 or 5 of those things. So, like tomorrow, if I want this, the beef will be stored separately. I can reheat that. And all I need to do is heat the oven and put some of these shells in there. So, should be delicious. And keep going with this a little bit. I'll bring it back to you. Okay, that meat looks just about ready. These little holders here are just about ready, I'd say. It's got some lettuce chopped up. The sauce is in the fridge. So this stuff's going to go in for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Keep this cheese around because you're going to sprinkle that a little bit on top of the Gordito Crunch. So once that goes in, what we're going to do is we're going to take our hard tacos and we're going to start building our taco. Okay, so that's going to be some meat, the sauce, the sour cream sauce, some lettuce, and a little bit of cheese on top. And then once these flatbreads come out, we're going to wrap them up. We're just going to try to stuff them down in there. Hopefully make 5. I think I can fit 2 in here, maybe. We'll see. It's an experiment. Just testing out this copycat recipe. Hopefully it'll be good. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely great. Grilling with the good dogs. Chef Kleinberg was here a minute ago. When there's cheese out, that dog knows it. Wants to get us on that cheese. Show him the logo. Okay, we got some meat and sauce distributed. Chef Kleinberg here. Next, we'd put the lettuce on there and then sprinkle some of the cheese on there. But right now, that bread's about to come out, so I'm going to get those ready to get wrapped. Once those are wrapped, I'll show you what they look like. Sprinkle the lettuce and cheese on it, and we're done. We'll try them out. Grilling with the good dogs. I was told that you can buy Baja Blast at certain locations. I have just never seen them. I'm going to have to broaden my grocery search, I guess. That would really top off this meal, Chef Klein. Really top it off. All right, that is not looking half bad at all. Giving that a second to adhere to everything. Got the cup holding it together along with a little hand thing. All right, so we're going to... That was hot. That damn bread comes out hot, but it comes out much more malleable, and it works great. It worked really good for sticking it to here. So we're gonna let that sit for another minute, but I'm gonna start sprinkling on the cheese, and then it's ready to eat, y'all. Cannot wait. Oh, the other taco right there. Might just eat that one plain. Should be good. Cannot wait. Cannot wait to show y'all. Cannot wait to taste it. So excited. This has been very fun and easy. I highly suggest this if you get the chance. Give him a little bit of that shot. Give him a little bit of that money. All right. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness. I mean, that's pretty dang close to what it looks like. So, I have to try a bite one of these here real quick. But I'm excited. See if I can do it without messing them up. Put the phone down for a second. All right, let's see how this tastes. Go at this side. Lots of good cheese, lots of sauce, lots of meat. That's phenomenal. I highly suggest that. Look at that. That's just beauty. Absolute beauty. And that naan bread, perfect. Dang, I wish I had a Baja Blast. This is fantastic. Try it out, guys. You'll love it. This has been Grilling with the Good Dogs. You know you love us. You know it. You know you love that logo. Love it when a plan comes together. Hey, guys, it's me, the Fat Dad. Just want to let y'all know, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos here on YouTube. But if you want to see more, we actually have a Snapchat where you'll see a lot more of the uncut stuff. The final product is what ended up on YouTube, but a lot of bloopers, mistakes, and experiments happen on Snapchat, so check us out there. You can find that on our Instagram page, where if you follow our Instagram, you'll see candid pictures of the dogs, throwback pictures, and a little bit about each one of the recipes that we put up here on YouTube. So give that a try. That's Grilling with the Good Dogs on Instagram. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the videos.